How was it for you?
It was okay.
Oh, only okay. Oh, only okay. I only okay.
This broke. It's not a big deal because I just have astigmatism. So if you don't know what that is, it's just basically from a far distance. It has like a double layer shadowing. So it's not like a big deal, but it does get difficult like when it's at night or when I'm like really tired or like trying to focus on something for too long. You kind of get it when it's because you're focusing on something too close to you. So I did damage it. But yeah, I guess to do a little catch up as if I have all the time in the world. Yeah, so things have been good. I've been working out lately. I've been meal planning. That's been fun. I don't know. I feel like I've been trying to learn what it's like to just do my own thing lately. And like try to set more goals and be more active in my goal setting. So I don't know. I want to be using more like habit trackers, I guess. I don't know. That's like basically it. Damn, this is really good. But yeah, I don't know if you enjoyed this. I hope you did. I'm currently editing my Korea vlog, so by the time this comes out, this is probably gonna be a while, so.
I like all the water Pokemon types. I like the brand Marshmallow specifically. Yeah, so it's so cute. I got the Pikmin box. So cute. It's a cute game from Switch. And then I also got my Tiki X Hello Kitty series. So there's these characters. Oh, her name is Neko. Yeah, back to that Neko. Oh, Neko. The blonde. Okay, so you open this one first. Okay, wait. Name something that you actually wanted. Okay, I wanted these 4. So this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and then. Oh, wait, okay. You can open it a little bit more, or is it something?
Oh, I got this one.
Is that one of the ones that you wanted?
Yeah.
Yay!
I got this one.
Yay!
I get to make it.
Yay! And I wanted, honestly, I'd be okay with any of them. I'm just not too familiar with this one. This Pokemon. Everything else I would probably do like that. Oops. Okay. Cross my fingers. Oh, I think you. Wait. Wait!
Thanksgiving. I'm actually frantically getting ready because I was taking too long to clean, but I actually am giving this to my cousins today because their uncle passed away. I got this frame thrifted. I don't know if the lighting is kind of sus right now. I need to wrap it really quick. I just I'm going to do a Gymshark haul later today. But yeah, I just did that, and then I got bands. I'm gonna clean my room still, eating Doritos. But yeah, thanks for listening. Okay, bye. Hello, so it's my day off. I've been making matcha at home. It's really good. I don't know if you could tell, but it's matcha. My dad got it from Costco. I think I do want to invest in a more higher concentrate of matcha, but it'll do for now. I use whole milk, I think, or 2%, I don't remember. And then ice, I got ice molds. I got these cups from Amazon. And then I also put sugar-free vanilla. And yeah, trying to be more intuitive with what I eat. But yeah, I will just be running errands. Not running errands, what am I saying? I'm acting like I'm busy. But yeah, I'm just gonna be cleaning my room, maybe play some games. Yeah, still job searching. I don't know if anyone else out there is job searching, but the market is super saturated, and that's what I do on the daily. But I'm just gonna keep going. I just gotta keep hoping and just work hard regardless of whether someone accepts me or not. But I do like the freedom. I do like connecting with people, and yeah, just kind of going through a lot of changes. I feel like I'm, going through this questioning of like, what do I want to do for a career? Where do I want to go? And just overall, just stay true to my principles, my character, my values. And it's kind of crazy because I know the political climate right now is a little, sensitive with Kamala Harris and Trump. And I believe that Trump did win. And that's kind of disappointing just because of just all these red flags, And so, yeah, that's kind of just the update. This probably will be a while till I really post this. I'm currently editing my Jeju and Seoul vlog. But yeah, I'm just gonna be enjoying. I'm trying to get back into like skincare. I need a haircut for sure. Like my hair is so long and it's just very voluminous and frizzy, and I just need a cut. And I got charged. I went to a facial and I got charged extra for a cancellation fee, even though I was there. So just a lot of things, you know. But honestly, I've just been enjoying my time and trying to be more grateful, trying to be more organized and everything. But yeah, thanks for listening. Bye. I'm like kind of all over the place. Kind of resetting my room, and I'm coming up with my jeemaahn. So, yeah, I'm ready. Right, thanks for listening. See you. So I have some news. I don't want to jinx it, but I actually have an interview. It's just a campus job, and the pay's okay, but I've just been looking for a job, and this opportunity would be amazing for me. Just know that, yeah, it's not necessarily in the career or field that I want to be in, but I'm just grateful for the opportunity. You know who you are. I'm extremely grateful for you, and I'm so grateful. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I just need to work hard. So right now, I'm currently game planning potential questions that they'll ask me. I actually want to do like a job search interview stuff for just my personal growth, I guess. So yeah, I feel like this way has been lifted off. If this opportunity actually works out, it's like so surreal. I've been literally waiting for an opportunity like this. I'm like so anxious. I'm kind of like getting today. Okay, so I'm last time I vlogged. It's embarrassing, but I didn't get the job. Yeah, it was stupid because it was all about an assessment. I had to answer certain simulated questions, and I'm not a good test taker, so I didn't get the job. I had a breakdown, so it's not a fun feeling, and I think I'm just giving up hope. I feel like every lead that I have, I just get really excited, and just not like a tragic story, but just job searching is not just because it's fun or bored. It's literally my lifeline. It's something that I need to do, and yeah, I'm getting mixed up with me and my coworkers because I just need to feel better. So thanks for listening. Okay, so it's me. Oh my gosh, I need to do so much stuff, but I have nothing to do. That makes sense. I just got home. I actually spent so much money. It's Black Friday today. It was Thanksgiving yesterday. And so, yeah, I spent a lot of money. I'm not doing great. I will admit, I think I'm doing a lot of retail therapy. I just bought a bunch of stuff off of Gymshark. I got some stuff off of Amazon. I just went to Goodwill. Yeah, so as I'm going through this life crisis and everything, I'm trying to figure out what it is that I need to do. In black, as well as turquoise. And yeah, these were pretty cheap for two. Those were $25, so pretty affordable. I know I've been shopping lots, but you know, I need it. And also retail therapy. Hello, I am now home after a long time. I got a haircut, and I'm breathing hard. That is because I am still healing from a stomach bug that I had. It was not fun. I actually had to go to my part-time job because they couldn't find cover. And I'm not gonna lie, that was my last straw. I have a few upcoming full-time job opportunities, and if I get any of those, if any of them stick, I will most likely quit my part-time because that was a lot. I was physically not well, and they made me go. So yeah, that's a little bit about me as of lately. I'm currently editing one of my vlogs, another 6-month vlog. I'm trying to be more consistent with editing and everything just because it's something I'm passionate about. And once I kind of go through this rhythm, like editing and stuff, I want to work on other projects that I have in mind. And yeah, just wanting to plan the future more. And I don't know, I'm turning 25 in the next year. And I think something I'm kind of noticing is that I've had expectations of what I want in my life to look like at this age. And when I don't fulfill them, or if I'm not even close, I grow very bitter, I grow very upset and angry. And I just don't think that's fair to those who are affected by me, or just being unfair to myself. Because, you know, life happens, life gets in the way. And so, yeah, I guess that's a little bit about what's been on my mind. I've also been doing therapy and life coaching, and just trying to do a lot of more of my own thing and not look to other people for validation, and still, yeah, just be making my goals. And so, yeah, hopefully by the time you're watching this, the vlog is already out. So I had an interview today. It was with a company. I think it was for a case manager. I don't really know fully on what the job is, but yeah, I'm not too sure if I'm going to accept it. And something I'm kind of just processing is, do I have the luxury and privilege to shoo away a job when I've been job searching for so long? I didn't even get it yet. I'm just assuming that I got it. I don't know if it's bullish, just the passion that I got. and I don't really know because I had innovation and I don't really want to settle at the moment, but at the same time I don't know what I want right now. I'm not really happy at my part-time job, and so we'll see. Hello, I just woke up and it is 11:59. Oh my gosh, it is so late, but I'm here and I actually just got a bunch of clothes from Nike. My sister works at Nike and so I get a discount, and so I'm pretty excited because I've been working out pretty consistently, and yeah, I just want to be active. A little bit about me, I grew up doing sports, but now I've been going to the gym and doing a lot of like lifting weights, and so yeah, I don't know, but I'll do a try on and let you know how I like it.